Hello guys, you're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you guys how to cut trousers to get a perfect straight down trouser that has a ghetto that goes down straight in the middle of the body. And before we continue with the video, I would like to welcome new viewers to this channel. You're highly welcome. And if this is your first time viewing my channel, please ensure to subscribe to the channel and please like this video. It doesn't cost you anything. Just click on the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells, because this is what I do. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos here concerning what I do. So just like this video. If you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section. And please, after you subscribe, just let me know where you're watching from. Also, let me know if you have subscribed. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. So straight ahead, you can see that the waist that we're using for this measurement is 32 inches. Normally we divide that by 4. That is for the waist of the trouser. 32 divided by 4 is 8 inches. 8 inches, and that's what we're going to mark. You mark at the edge of the fabric. That is if you have not trimmed that side that has the fabric label, and then you also mark on the inside. That is 8 inches. Now we're going to add half an inch to that 8 inches to make it 8.5. Half an inch. Now for the slanting on the top of the trouser, you are going to slant it by 1.5 inches, and then you connect your line. So to obtain the crotch line, it is the same 8 inches that we got from the waist division. We are going to mark that 8 inches plus 1 inch. That is for a male trouser. Waist plus 1 inch, that is where you achieve your crotch measurement. So we're going to erect a line there. Erect a line at the 9 inches. Now it's time for us to apply the lap. And the lap for this measurement, that's 22 inches divided by 2. Not 4 anymore. 22 inches divided by 2. And that will give us 11 inches. Waist is divided by 4. Lap is divided by 2. So that 11 inches is what we're going to mark here. Mark at the edge and also mark on the inside. Now that 11 plus half an inch. It's half an inch for sewing allowance. Now to arrive at the center of the trouser, you see the way I folded this tape? That's what you're going to do. You fold the lap into 2 and then you mark a point. And then you just extend it downwards. Do you understand? Extend it downwards. Just as you see me doing here. The purpose of this is to know where the center of the trouser is. So now you're going to connect those lines together. The purpose of this is to know where the center of the trouser is. Now every other measurement we're going to be applying here will take bearing from that center of the trouser, so that when you finish sewing this trouser, it's going to align perfectly on your body. The side line will be straight down on the side and not the one that folds or bends inwards or outwards. Now for the down of the trouser, we have 14 inches divided by 2 again. So 14 inches divided by 2, easy peasy. How many is that? Come on guys, 7 inches. All right, 14 divided by 2, 7 inches. Now that's 7 inches again. We're going to divide it by 2. 7 inches divided by 2 is what, guys? 3.5. 3.5. Now, at that 3.5, that place I folded the tape is the one that is going to align on that center line. 3.5 is going to be right on top of the line that we drew. Now you're going to mark the front of the tape and then mark at 7 inches. I hope it's clear. If it's not clear, please let me know so that I can explain. You mark at the front of the tape and you mark at 7 inches. The reason why we divided the 7 inches is so that we'll get the middle point to place on the line. Now you must make sure that the distance from the down of the trouser to up is about 5 inches, because the down of the trouser has to be straight. The down of the trouser has to be straight so that when you're folding that extra 2 inches of the down, you're not going to have excess fabric that will give you issues, especially when you're applying the hemming gum on the down of your trouser. If the down of the trouser is not equidistant, it's not straight enough, you're going to have folded fabric when you use hemming gum down. So make sure that is equidistant to each other, about 5 inches. So you can see me here now, I'm using my curves to just connect those lines. Of course, if you don't have the curves, you can use your free hand and you still achieve the same results. So now for the hip curve, this is what we do. That line that has extended there, you measure it and divide it into 2. Make sure you arrive at the center of that line. So you draw a straight line and then use the curve to curve that out, or you can also use a free hand and you will achieve the same results. So you can see that this thing is really very easy. Now after achieving this, what is left is just to pick up your scissors and cut it out. So I'm going to fast forward this from here because we're just going to cut this. Yeah, so we're done cutting the front. Just watch closely. You see the way I'm turning the front and placing it on the back. I'm going to scratch that and rewind it for you to see clearly. To get. That there. So we're just going to go on and get the back piece of the trouser. So this is how you place your trouser. Make sure your trouser is aligning very well with the down of the fabric. So you first of all cut on the inside as seen here, and then you can apply the other stuff after. So you can see that I shifted the front pieces inwards. Now the space there is about 2 inches is what I normally use, and I achieve a very perfect result. 2 inches is going to the back piece. Do you understand? 2 inches all the way. Now at the crotch line, we're going to extend the crotch line like so, and then you just still mark the up of the trouser. That's the waist itself. You're going to add 3 inches upwards, 3 inches from there upwards, and then from the inside still 2 inches. This is what I use every time, and I achieve my perfect results. So 2 inches will be for at the waist side. If you're adding 2 inches, that means your trouser is going to be rope trouser. But if it's not rope trouser, 1.5 inches is okay. So at that place now, I'm marking 3 inches there, 3 inches there, and then you slant it downwards like so. I hope you can see this is higher, and then the line slants downwards. You can see the slanting as well. You just mark 1/2 inch and slant it like that. That is the part that the hip lies on. You know that the hip is curved, so that is why I took that thing that way. So you just watch how I'm going to cut this. Watch how I'm going to cut this. Look at that curve there. Look at that curve. Look at the way I'm curving it. You can see that. I hope you can see that curve. And then you just cut that all the way. And you are actually done cutting your trousers. After it's as simple as A, B, C. If there's anything here you do not understand, please ask the questions in the comment section, and I always reply every comment. Every comment, I will reply you within less than 1 hour of you dropping a comment. So this is perfect trouser cutting. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you have not subscribed, do that. Like the video. Thank you. Catch you in the next one.